This is the unboxing video for the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Oven and Air Fryer. Inside the box, you got the manual, the quick start guide, and the recipe book. In addition, there is the heavy-duty cooking rack, baking pan, and air fry basket. Remove the plastic cover from the plug. Then remove the tapes on the oven door. Open the oven door and take the crumb tray out. Remove the plastic cover from around the tray and slide it into the bottom of the oven. The cooking rack can be placed two ways. Slide the cooking rack into slot 1 or slot 2. Place baking pan on the cooking rack, and then place the fry basket inside. Enjoy the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Oven.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.